Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Kibbers Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382, and today we have a 2018 LDV G10 van, stock reference number 4766. This shape runs from the 4th month 2015 and is the current shape. It has a 1.9 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by an automatic rear-wheel drive transmission. 1.9 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. We have the radiated grille, left-hand headlight. Left guard appears to have no damage. This vehicle is fitted with 16-inch factory alloy mags. Left front has a bald tyre. Left power door mirror. Left front door has 5 small dents. Left rear door has 3 small dents. Left rear 16-inch factory alloy mag with a bald tyre. Left hand tail light. Left tailgate garnish. Aftermarket FOR tow bar supplied with all bolts, brackets, loom and neck with the bumper step. Tailgate appears to have no damage. Right hand tailgate garnish. Right hand tail light. Right rear 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Right power door mirror. And a right front 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with grey cloth interior. Automatic gear shifter, heated controls, factory media player, touchscreen, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, sunglass holder type, left hand sun visor. We have the cargo barrier. It does have storage shelves in the back, right hand sun visor and the instrument cluster. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.